Day everyone. So our lesson for today is about operation on functions, and we have 5 operation on functions. First we have sum function, next is difference function, the other one is product function, then we have quotient function, and lastly we have composite function. As you can see, nandiyan din on how to find each operation. So, feeling nyo lang mahirap, pero hindi. And we do have the given. Ang given po natin is that f of x is equal to x plus 1 and g of x is equal to x squared minus x minus 2. So, let's start solving first the sum on function given this. So, in solving operation and functions, iisa lang yung given na gagamitin natin, and that is f of x is equal to x plus 1 and g of x is equal to x squared minus x minus 2. First, we will going to solve for the sum function, and sum function is that we have f plus g of x is equal to. So we will going to distribute the f plus g to x. So we have f of x plus we have g of x. And then we will going to substitute the given to the given formula, which is f of x plus g of x. So that is equal to, the given for f of x is that we have x plus 1. So we have x plus 1, and then the operation is addition. So we have plus g of x. The given for g of x is this one. So we have plus x squared minus x minus 2. So now we will going to solve. The operation is addition. In solving sum function, mas maganda na naka-vertical siya para ma-align natin kung ano ba yung mga like terms. So, okay lang na magkabali-baliktad kasi nga we do have the commutative property of addition. Changing the order of the addends does not affect the sum. So, pwede nating ilagay sa taas to kasi mas marami yung given. So, we have, scratch to x squared minus x minus 2, and then plus f of x we have, so yung like term ni x is this one, so i-align natin siya, plus x and then plus 1, which is the constant term. Okay, so now add, bring down x squared kasi wala naman siyang like terms, and then negative x plus positive x. So in adding unlike terms, proceed to subtraction and copy the sign of the bigger number. So, dahil negative to, positive to, we need to subtract. X minus x, that is 0. Kasi nga, diba, merong invisible 1 dyan nakasama si x. So, 1 minus 1, that is 0. So, hindi na natin kailangang i-bring down yan. And then, next one, we have negative 2 plus positive 1. So, again, unlike terms, so proceed to subtraction. 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1. So, ang mas malaking number is 2, and the sign of 2 is negative, kaya magiging minus 1. So, therefore, our final answer is this one. So, transfer natin dito, we have is equal to x squared minus 1. So, this is now the final answer. The same given in solving difference function, and difference function is denoted as f plus, this is difference, so subtract f minus g of x is equal to, so ganun pa din, just distribute, magiging f of x minus g of x is equal to, so we will going to substitute the given to the given formula that we have. Okay, so in solving difference function, subtrahend is subtrahend, minuend is minuend. So, ibig sabihin, hindi natin pwedeng pagpalitin ang ating f of x and g of x kasi maapektuhan yung ating sagot. So the given for f of x, we have x plus 1, and then the operation is subtraction. Then g of x is x squared minus x minus 2 is equal to. So, ganun pa din yung gagawin natin. Just like in some function, magkakaroon tayo ng scratch kasi isusulat natin to in vertical form para mas madali nating masolve kung ano ba yung kanyang tamang sagot. So, we have x plus 1. Again, subtrahend is subtrahend, minuend is minuend. So, x plus 1 and then minus, we have x squared. So, i-align natin yung like terms. Minus x and then minus 2. So, dito, palagi nyong tatandaan na in solving integers, in subtracting the integers, kailangan napalitan natin lahat ng sign dito sa baba. Instead of subtraction, magiging addition. And then, ang positive ay magiging negative. Ang negative ay magiging positive. And negative will become positive. So, now, proceed tayo sa addition. May i-add ba tayo kay negative x squared? May ka-align ba siya? Wala. So, we need to bring down negative x squared. And then, positive x plus positive x. So, di ba may invisible 1 dyan? So, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. And then, the common variable is x, kaya 2x. Next, positive 1 plus positive 2 is equal to plus 3. So, this is now the final answer for difference function. So, transfer na natin. We have negative x squared plus 2x plus 3. So, this is now the final answer for the difference function. Now, let's proceed to product function. So, product function is that f times g of x is equal to, distribute again, f of x and then times g of x is equal to. So, substitute the given to the given formula. We have x plus 1 and then times x squared minus x minus 2, which is the value of g of x, is equal to. So, unlike sa difference function and sum function, pwede na natin itong isolve horizontally kasi mas madali siyang isolve kapag horizontal. Kasi ang gagawin lang natin is to substitute the binomial to trinomial. So, first one, distribute x. Si x, ipamigay natin lahat dito sa kabila. So, distribute rather. So, we have x times x squared is equal to, okay, in multiplying the variable, may invisible 1 dyan. So, 1 times 1 is equal to 1 at ang 1 ay invisible in comes to algebra. So, hindi natin siya isusulat. Ang isusulat natin is just the variable which is x. And then, sa pagmumultiply, may exponent dyan na 1. So, i-add natin yung exponent. So, 1 plus 2, that is equal to 3, kaya naging x cubed. Next, positive times negative is negative. X times x, parehong may exponent na 1 dyan, kaso nga lang invisible. So, we have x squared. Next one, positive times negative is negative. And the next, x times 2, that is equal to 2x. Kahit nauna yung variable sa coefficient natin, lagi pa ring una ang number na isusulat. Hindi yan pwedeng maging x, 2. So, that is negative 2x. So, tapos na natin i-distribute yung x. Now, let's proceed to positive 1. We will going to distribute positive 1 to the g of x. So, positive times positive is positive. 1 times x squared is x squared. Positive times negative is negative. 1 times x is equal to x, positive times negative is negative, and 1 times 2 is equal to 2. So this is not yet the final answer because we will going to combine like terms. Kapag sinabi nating like terms, pareho sila ng variable at the same time, pareho sila ng exponent. Okay lang na magkaiba yung kanilang coefficient. So, x cube, may kapareho ba si x cube? Kung titingnan natin, wala. So, we will going to bring down x cube. And then, what about x squared? So, we have x squared here and another x squared. Negative x squared plus x squared. So, mag-a-add daw tayo ng unlike terms. This is negative, this is positive. So, proceed to subtraction. Any number subtracted by the same number is equal to 0. So, dahil pareho silang dalawa, therefore, cancel out po yan dahil magiging 0. Okay, next one is that 2x and x. Pareho sila ng variable na x. So, negative 2x minus x. So, dahil subtraction yan, di ba ang ginagawa natin, yung nasa baba or nasa huli, chini-change natin lahat ng sign. So, instead of positive x, magiging negative yan, and this one ay magiging plus po yan. So, mag-a-add tayo ng like terms. Ibig sabihin, proceed to addition and copy the common sign. The common sign of 2x and x is negative, kaya magiging minus yan dito. And then, 2 plus 1, dahil invisible si 1, that is 3, and copy the common variable, which is x, kaya minus 3x. And then, may constant term ba dyan, maliban sa 2? So, wala. Kaya, bring down minus 2. So, wala na tayong like terms, kaya this is the final answer. X cubed minus 3x minus 2. Let's proceed to quotient function. Ibig sabihin, we will going to divide the given function and we will going to denote the quotient function as f over g of x is equal to, so ganun pa rin, just distribute f of x and then divided by g of x, na kung saan isa-substitute lang natin yung ating given dito sa ating given formula. So the value of f of x is that we have x plus 1. So x plus 1 divided by g of x is equal to x squared minus x minus 2. And then is equal to. So, ang gagawin natin, dahil hindi tayo pwedeng mag-divide ng binomial to the perfect square trinomial, we will going to find the factor of the denominator. So, just copy x plus 1 and then divided by, so kapag nagpa-factor tayo, ang ibig sabihin yan, na dalawang number na kapag minultiply mo ay ganun ang magiging result. So, find the factor of x squared minus x minus 2. So, ganito lang ang pagpa-factor. First term, first term. Ano ang i-multiply natin para maging first term or x squared? So, that is x times x. X times x is equal to x squared. And then, dito naman sa last term, kukunin natin yung dalawang number na kapag minultiply mo, magiging negative 2, pero kapag inad mo naman, magiging negative 1. Kasi nga, di ba, invisible si 1 dyan. So, dapat kapag inad mo, magiging negative 1. So, ang gagawin natin, punta tayo sa scratch. At kukunin natin kung ano yung factor ni negative 2. So, ano ba yung factor ni negative 2? That is negative 2 and positive 1. Pwede rin naman na negative 1, positive 2. So, kapag inad natin to, negative 2 plus 1, that is equal to negative 1. So, makakapag-satisfy siya sa ating middle term. So, therefore, ang magiging factor ng x squared minus x minus 2 is x. Ito yung kukunin natin. X minus 2 times x plus 1. So, hindi pa yan yung ating final answer. Okay, proceed tayo sa taas kasi hindi na siya kasya. Okay, so may common ba dyan? May pwede ba tayong i-divide dyan? So, we have x plus 1 divides x plus 1. Any number divided by the same number is equal to 1. So therefore, if we will going to divide this, the answer is 1. And then over what? Over x minus 2. So therefore, this is the final answer, 1 over x minus 2. So that is on how to divide the given function. Composite function will be on my next math tutorial. Thank you for watching!